Good day everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today gonna be a little different. I'm gonna do a vlog and we're gonna go to NYC, eat some good food. I'm gonna take y'all with me, you feel me? We're gonna be linking up with the girlies and we're gonna have fun. So y'all just gonna get a little glimpse of my life, what it's like, the vibes in the East Coast. I was trying to say it wrong. We gonna catch the vibes in the East Coast. So yeah, let's go, baby. I'm excited. I'm gonna eat some good food. I ain't eat out in a minute. I love to cook at home. I'm a home cook, you feel me? But I'm excited to try some new food, some new inspiration. Yeah, so I got up kind of late, I ain't gonna lie. I got up a little late, later than expected. But we rescheduling a couple hours later, so it's all good. So I'm finna get ready. I'm gonna shower. I look great. I look hit up right now. So I'm gonna clean that up. I'm gonna fix that up. And I'm gonna get dressed. And I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna be right back. So I arrived at last and we finna link up with the girlies, so I gotta figure out where the heck I'm going. I don't even know where I'm at for real, but I just stepped in like this puddle in my jizz, like come correct, come clean with the jizz. So yeah, the ride, it went pretty smooth. As I was on the transit, this lady said she liked my look. I'm like, thanks girl. But I gotta show y'all the fit, hold up. I'm wearing blue today. Come with us to try some Caribbean plant-based cuisine infusion. Today's stop, healthy as a motherfucker in Brooklyn. I had missed out on the entrees, but my friends I got island onigiri, and this just looks so damn beautiful. Next we got the empanada chill. Right here I got the jerk tamarind crispy mushroom burger. And the crispy part, man, they need to really emphasize on it because this is the crispiest mushroom I've ever in my life experienced. Here are the entrees that we got. We got the maduras bowls, the seasoned mac and cheese, and the roti plates. And the flavors was just too immaculate. And at last, we got some dessert. Here goes some cassava cake, which is unique to us because it had this crunch to it. Also comes with Juanabana ice cream. Everything was house made, including a blackberry gem on top. But yeah, healthy as a mother did not disappoint us, and I recommend you guys try it.
Hare Krishna
So at this point, Shawty just showing me the lyrics, which is literally just 2 words. And at this point, they just did not want me to leave. They was trying to do everything in their power to make me stay, bro. After lots of studying, I finally memorized the lyrics. Alright, so she handed me the instrument again, but like, I was just having so much freaking fun, so I was like, alright, bump it. It wasn't that late, and I still had another ride. Another train left, so I'm like, alright, I'm gonna turn up. Turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Yo, your girl was breaking a sweat, like, I was too turned, bro. Like, I was having so much fun. It was like a fun ass night, and the energy was just so electrifying. I'm on my phone, then the homie pull up. Yeah, say what's good, say what's good.
Every Tuesday and Sunday. I'm doing this work from downtown Brooklyn. I'm from Jersey. I gotta catch you guys. Yeah, we're here up in here. I'll give you my number.
I'm bringing the vibe now. Let me go, now tell me what they say now. Wait now. Let me go, now tell me now. We making it go now. Making the flow now. Let you know now. Making it go and I'm making the wave and I'm making it go and they show now. Bringing it back, stopping the way, stopping the way, making the way, making it go and I'm bringing the boom and I'm slipping and slipping and clipping the A. Wait now. Now baby stay down. Now baby play now. Now what they play now. Making it go and I'm bringing it vibe. Bringing the wave and I'm bringing the time.
I gotta be out there for a good like 30, half an hour, damn near an hour. My scarf, my Ethiopian scarf is like sweating out. Girl, I'm burnt out. That was so fun. They were so sweet to me. They gave me rolls and some food that they said it was nourishing and that they pray over it. They blessed over it and they wanted me to consume it, but I unfortunately I can't consume it because it has like dairy in it. I asked them, it's like some type of pastry that they made, and I know, I mean I want to consume it, but it goes against my lifestyle. It would go against my lifestyle if I consume it, but I appreciate the gesture, so I just plan on passing it on to somebody else. But I don't know where I'm at. I have no idea. I think I found the way. I don't know what Jerseyans be talking about, man. NYC is the vibe, bro. I feel so alive in this city, bro. It feels so alive, like. Oh my God, I just went in a circle. Ah! They gave me this flower and I had tipped them like $10, and then they gave me this book, like 2 different books. They gave me food, pamphlets, all types of stuff, just for catching the vibe. I love it here, man. I could see myself like moving here. Everybody, all the broke people be like, I'm not living in New York City. Like, I just broke, bro. It's so fucking beautiful here, bro. Beautiful people, energy. I fucking love it, man. 60. So I finally got back home. It's 12 a.m. and today was literally the best freaking day. One of the best days of my life, and this is the day that I would like literally remember for probably all of my life, really. Like, oh man, it was just such a beautiful moment, beautiful connections, beautiful people. Like I was saying earlier about the city, dude, like, oh my God, It just feels so lively, bro. I feel so alive over there. Not necessarily I feel alive, but it's the energy, bro. It's so lively. It's so lively. The people are lively. Am I saying it's perfect? No, by no means is it perfect. But it's something about the spirit. It's so funny because I'm not even far, like where I actually live, it's not even far from that space. A lot of people like downplay and talk down on NYC, bro, but like that's where the spirit is at. New York, Manhattan, NYC, like that's where all of come on now, everything is there. The music, the art, the talent, the fashion, the creativity, the creatives, the dancing, the studios, everything is there, bro. If you talentless, you probably hate it. Like seriously, if you don't appreciate art, then you probably despise it. You're somebody that probably despise. Like, come on now, all of the art is there in that space. The possibilities are limitless. All of the networks and the connections are there. I'm not gonna say all of them, but it's like it's all of the energy is like balled up into that region is what I'm trying to say. And that's what I appreciate about the land of the East Coast. Like seriously, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this is not even like on some tourist shit, like, cause I could go to, I'm not even far. I could go there whenever I want. But I'm at a point where I'm exploring like deeper than Manhattan. You know? Manhattan's beautiful too, but it's definitely more to the state and to the city. It's more to the city and it's more to the state. So that's just my opinion. You know what I mean? If you not like into like performing arts, you know, whether it be anything, artistry, music, drama, fashion, cosmetics, cosmetology, whatever, hair, whatever, anything. Yeah, you probably somebody that has at least interest in that region. It's usually people that's like talking down on the city, bro. Like the city is a fucking vibe, bro. I don't care. You could talk shit once you live there. You could talk all the shit you want about the city once you actually live there, bro. I don't give a fuck. I would live there one day. I would consider living there, seriously. Like it just feels, it's just so electrifying. Like I don't know any electrifying land in the US than NYC. So I'm thankful. I won't forget this day. Like thank you to all the people. Thank you to the performers. They performed very well, including the dancers. I actually got her name. It started with a CH. I gotta look it up. I can't even check it. But shout out to her. She was so cool. She was so beautiful, amazing, kind, fun, sweet, awesome dance moves. Yeah, and then, like a lot of other people just started joining in. Like I'm telling you, like, you know, I spend time like I be dancing in my crib and stuff. And I'm like, dude, like, what's the point in dancing alone when make use of it? You know what I mean? Like, when I could make use of it to the world, my art, I could express that into the open. I definitely didn't have the right shoes on. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I don't really be going crazy with my sneakers like that. But today, I feel like, I don't even know if I showed my outfit. Damn. Honestly, I kind of forgot to get some clips going in because I was just having too much fun. Like, I saw so many just beautiful views. Like, even when I was in the transit and I'm looking through the window and you can see it, like, you're literally like above the city. You just see all types of scenery and it's just so beautiful. Like, it felt like I was in a movie, like, not even a movie, like, I don't know if y'all ever saw that series called like Downtown, and go on YouTube after this video Go on YouTube, look up the series Downtown by MTV. If I'm not mistaken, it came out in like 99. Amazing series. It's underground. It's very underground. If you want to get a feel of the East Coast vibes, especially during that time, I highly recommend. That's one of my favorite series. Honestly, I would sit down and rewatch that tonight. I might end up doing that, but you know what's funny? One more thing, okay? Whenever I be going over there to NYC, it's like I come home feeling all dirty. But honestly, this time today, I don't feel like dirty. Like I'm still cleaning myself out, but I actually came home feeling pretty clean. Like I wasn't really touching like mad surfaces like how I was before. So it's like, you know, I didn't come like last time I was in the city and I came back home, nigga. I had sauce on my shoes, dirt, dust on my pants. Like it was so bad, bro. Like fucking sauces in my sandals. And oh man, I was just a complete mess. Stepping on puddles. Actually, I did step on some puddles, but I cleaned my shoes. Well, whatever. Yeah, so I didn't come home with stains and shit on my clothes. I don't know what it is about New York City. It's like, you know what? They starting to clean up. That's what they cleaned that shit up. And also, one more thing. I did not see a single rodent either. But it's ironically, I saw a rodent when I came back to Jersey. On my way back, I saw rodents. So, and I saw this post. I saw this status that the NY.gov media page had uploaded. They had the freaking rodents, because they did like this little thing with the garbage. Like they making it mandatory for the residents to have garbage cans now. So that's gonna like minimize the rodents and the rats and stuff, right? So they had like an image of the freaking rodents packing their bags from New York City to Jersey, like. And that shit is, they wasn't lying. Them rodents is packing their bags and coming to Jersey. Like, it's real, like. They was not lying, bro. Like, I was literally just walking, dude, and I'm just seeing, like, freaking rodents throughout the sidewalk. I'm like, what the? And they just chilling. Like, you could tell you could tell they from New York, because they just chilling. Like, they're not even trying to, they just chilling, like, walking mad slow, taking their time. Like, what you gonna do? You're like, what you gonna do? Yeah, that was a wonderful time. I gotta hit up California. I know this got nothing to do with the video, but I'm just in my thoughts right now. I want to hit up California, so if it's any waves in Cali, let me know. I gotta hit the Cali vibes, because I feel like it's just a beautiful house. Like, we literally on opposite ends of the country, but it's like the energy is it's kind of similar. Like East Coast, West Coast, it's like it's popping. Like, I want to visit the entire country, really. Like, I've been to a couple states so far by myself. Honestly, I love America, nigga. Like, just the land itself is fucking beautiful. People, maybe not everything, but like, you know, when you just look at things from a light side, from a positive perspective, not on some like, man, this is so, just appreciate the good in things, you know. I don't hate everything about this land. Like, it's messed up in certain ways, I know that, but it's my home. It's my home. It's most of our homes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video though. And if you have, please show that by giving a thumbs up. And I really want to do some more of this. I thank y'all for watching, and I appreciate y'all. And be sure to follow my social media accounts down below. And I love you all. And please enjoy your day, or your night, or your evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Peace.